Welcome to our tutorial on how to access the daily/monthly revenue report for hospitality in Docket. Let's begin. First, log into your Docket account. Next, go to the top navigation menu and select Business Reports from the drop-down menu. Now, in the subsequent menu, choose Revenue Reports. On the Revenue Reports page, locate and click on the Daily/Monthly Revenue Report option to access the report. To customize the report parameters, such as selecting the desired time period and revenue sources, navigate to the customization options. Generate the report and review the detailed results to gain insights into daily and monthly revenue performance. Congratulations! You've successfully accessed and customized the daily/monthly revenue report in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.